Okay, so we're gonna move on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna move on. Uber makes a driver update. Ready for this?
Yeah.
We're just reacting to the Rideshare Guy at this point. Our live stream is just
It's a Rideshare Guy reaction.
This is a Rideshare Guy reaction YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure he's like... Oh, they're live right now. Should we tune in?
You assholes!
Oh! They're cussing on here. Dang, they get...
Yeah, that's not very family friendly.
Should we comment? We're reacting to you right now.
Yeah, be like, yo, watch our live. We're reacting to your live on our live.
Okay.
$100 for a year of me torturing myself to be a...
Okay, we're gonna get back. Okay, so this is Uber driver makes a driver update. The earnings screen for Uber drivers has changed. Let's see what it is.
All right, well, let's get to the new earnings screen.
Oh my God, yeah.
So you want to read this?
Yeah, so Uber, track your earnings weekly. Tracking how much money you made is about to get easier. Starting my email contained details from the previous week. Here's what's changing. Earnings summary, right on the cover page, you'll see how much you made and how much you already cashed out. Earnings breakdown, you can then go on to see how much you made on trips, promotions, and tips. You can also see adjustments related to previous weeks, like tips that were added many days later, for example. So yeah, I actually didn't realize that. Like, I know, like, you can kind of leave a tip at any time.
Yeah.
Because it's like, I don't know, like, I'll order an Uber and then I won't go on the Uber app until like a week later and it'll be like, oh, rate your last trip.
Yeah, I think...
And leave the tip. Oh, wait.
Wait,
really think about
can you hear me?
that much.
Oh,
Yeah, I can hear you.
I think you're like kind of cutting out.
Oh.
Okay, it's... Are you on Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'll let you know if it happens again, but it's fine now. Okay, so...
Okay.
So yeah, you were just saying that it lets you do it for like a week?
No, like longer, I think. Or I don't know how long it lets you do it, but like every time I sign into the app, it'll ask me to rate and tip the previous ride I was just in because I always forget to do that, like right after the ride.
Yeah. So, okay, so sorry. What's changing now is you'll see how much you made and how much you already cashed out. You can then go on to see how much you made on trips, promotion, and tips. You can also see adjustments related to previous weeks, like tips were added many days later, for example. Okay. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So I actually do, you know, the more they show us as a driver, I think the better.
Yeah, I feel like it can help more with like financial planning.
Yeah, budgeting, etc.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So moving on. Uber launches bonuses for drivers.